Someone here keeps on looking on the back, on the past. Okay? But I think this is someone here who is an outside energy, but we're gonna see. Alam mo yun? Parang someone here keeps on looking at the back, sa past, sa nakaraan. Whoever this individual is, posibleng nagkasagutan na kayo nito or you once got involved in pareho or similar, same na argument. Pwede nagtalo na kayo nitong person na to or this person here, nagkaroon na kayo ng alitan, away. Tell me more. Yeah, related to past judgment energy. Okay? This is someone here who put an end, no, to something. Yun yung nakita ko rito. Parang ito yung klase ng energy na naglagay ng ending sa situation mo. There's this particular situation, but you know, this is general reading right here. Just take how this resonates. It could be any specific situation. But this outside energy, pwedeng naglagay siya ng tuldok sa isa sa mga sitwasyon sa buhay mo. Tell me more about this. Thank you so much, angels and spirit guides, Archangel Michael. Tell me more. Tell me more, please, about the situation here for my collective. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out for you guys. Oh. Alam mo kung sino man to, parang tinatanong niya rito, no? Malaking tanong ito, no? Tapos parang may diin, may punto na parang, weh, no? Parang, bakit? Yan, no? Weh. Kasi, mga babes, no? In Korean, that's bakit. No? Yung mga babes, no? Pasensya na kayo kung nagsasalita ko ng Korean language. Okay, no? Minsan. Yung mga babes, no? Meron ditong energy, no, na nagtatanong dito kung why, no? Bakit? Bakit daw, no? Yun yung pinakamalaking tanong niya rito. Hmm? Oh. Hmm. Okay. Alright. So, before we start, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po pala si Yan. Welcome tuloy po kayo dito sa aming community. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support ang binibigay niyo po sa akin. So, yan, I do encourage you guys, no, because I keep on reading comments down, no, na kailan mag-upload, ano oras mag-upload. Actually, wala talagang time, mga babes, yung pag-upload. Pero kasi, I encourage you to subscribe so that you can click the bell. Alam ko kasi parang hindi nyo makiklick yung bell if hindi kayo nagpindot ng subscribe. So, yan, no. Yung bell kasi na yon, yung bell dyan sa may tuktok. Yan kasi yung parang nagno-notify sa inyong phone even though you're doing other things, no, sa yung phone, no, manonotify kayo kapag naka-on yan. So, depende pa rin sa settings. So, yun yung mga waves, no, yan. So, if you want to be updated, no, you might want to subscribe so that you can hit the bell button. So, yun yung mga babes na tayong gender here. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome here. And of course, this is timeless as well. But I do see that this is something here going on in the present moment strongly, huh? Strongly. So, nakikita ko, yeah, I'm hearing that song. You know that song? They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. You know that song? So whoever this individual is, this person here could possibly be imitating you. Ginagaya ka niya, may panggagaya rito, no? But they can't duplicate you. No, hindi ka rito pwedeng magaya. Why? Because you are you. You are different from them. They are different from you. You are different from them. So dito, this could be anyone here that you're dealing with right now. But strongly, I think this is someone here, no, na posibleng nagkaroon kayo ng hindi magandang history nitong person na to, no. At lumalabas rito na posibleng, because I'm seeing this, no, strongly, presence of devil energy, betrayal here, and I think Three of Cups in reverse. This is something here, or someone na posibleng third party ng naging person mo. Possibly na past lover mo or ng ex mo, siya yung third party here. And this third party here could be imitating you now. But that third party is telling me na parang why? Bakit? Bakit? No? Parang sinasabi niya rito, matagal ka na raw nawala sa kanilang connection, no? Pero yung mga alaala mo buhay pa rin, no? So pwedeng nakukumpara ka ng iyong ex dito sa person, dito sa third party ni ito. Especially kung sila ay nag-aaway. Ngayon, nakikita ko rito na may pag-aaway rito, no? Tapos lagi ka na brought out. Alam mo, hindi naman ganyan si collective eh. Pero ikaw, grabe yung ugali mo. You know, I'm getting that type of energy here. No? Rinding-rindi na to. Rinding-rindi na tong third party rito. No? Ayaw ka naman sana niya ritong gayahin. Pero kasi, meron siyang feelings and love for your person. So that's why the third party keeps on holding on. Even though nabobrought out ka, lalo na kapag nag-aaway sila. Ikaw yung posibleng bukang bibig, ikaw yung pangalan mo siguro yung laging binabanggit, yung ugali mo is lagi na lang napapasok dito. Matagal ka na raw nawala dito sa buhay nila, no? Pero parang feeling ng third party, hindi ka naman niya tuluyang naialis. Dahil buhay ka pa din sa alaala, no? Ng yung past lover right here. Ayaw niya yung nakukumpara siya rito with other person, no? Tapos lalong-lalo na, ayaw niya yung nakukumpara siya sa'yo. Pero wala siya rito magagawa. Kasi ramdam niya rito, no, na mas lamang pa rin yung pag-uugali mo, mas lamang pa rin dito yung mga parang bagay na naipakita mo, no, dun sa yung past lover, no. So, nagkakaroon dito ng comparison. At hindi ko alam kung bakit sila madalas nag-aaway rito, no. Just take how this resonates. This is general reading, but I think this is something here going on in the present moment, okay? So, I do see that this third party is jealous of you, even though you are not connected or you no longer connected with them anymore. I do see that you could already turn your back from the situation here long time ago already. But this third party, naiinis siya sa'yo rito. Matagal ka nang wala sa buhay daw nila. Akala niya naialis ka na niya sa buhay nila. Pero bakit nandito? Parang yung mga alaala mo yung nagmumulto, nagbabalik pa rin. No? Nakakainis ka pa rin. Kahit wala kang ginagawa ngayon. Pero wala siyang choice kundi gayahin ka. Because this person is afraid to lose your person. To lose your past lover right here. Ayaw niya mawala yung tao na yun dahil nag-develop na siya ng feelings para dun. That's why, even though he or she do not like you, this person here, still, kinokopya niya rito ang mga galaw mo, pwedeng kilos mo, kinokopya niya rito, no? And this person hates that, no? This person hates that. But wala siyang choice but to do that, no? Para hindi siya iwanan. Pero alam mo kung anong nakakababa ng parang dignity, no? Kasi hindi niya ma-express yung sarili niya rito eh. Because your person keeps on looking at you. Because your person here keeps on remembering you. You are always nasa topic. Even though you're no longer connected to them. Wala ka na nga atang balita sa kanila pero ganyan, diba? So, kung sino man tong energy na to lumalabas rito, this person here, naiirita pa rin siya sa'yo, naiinis siya sa'yo rito, no? Parang sino ka ba? Parang ganun. No? So, hindi ko alam kung inagawan ka niya, may pang-aagaw man dito, pero hindi naman na yun importante. Ang importante rito, paano niya mapapastay ang person na dati mong person, no? sa buhay niya, paano niya mapapastay yung tao na yun? It's by imitating you, by copying you. Pero alam naman natin na kapag kinopya, hindi iyon ang original, 'di ba? So, hindi ko alam if you're married with your past lover here or you're separated or you're annulled, there's divorce right here. It doesn't have to be. Pero meron ditong history na una siyang naging sayo bago siya naging kanya. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, this person here, alam mo yung parang nanalo siya kasi sa kanya napunta yung person mo. Pero, parang siyang nanalo na natalo. Yun yung nararamdaman niya, no? Anong klase ng pakiramdam yun, miss niya? Nanalo siya, pero natalo siya. Nanalo siya kasi nakuha niya yung person mo. Nagsasama sila ngayon, or sila ngayon. It doesn't have to be na kasal sila or whatever, no? Basta sila ngayon, no? Nanalo siya dun sa parte na yun, no? Natalo naman, nanalo na parang natalo kasi laging ikaw pa rin yung bukang bibig ng past lover niya. I mean, past lover niyo. Ikaw pa rin yung sinasabi. Isa ka na nga lang din ex eh. Pero ikaw pa rin yung sinasabi ng person mo sa kanya. Kinukumpara ka pa rin ng person mo sa kanya, lalo na kapag ka nagtatalo or nag-aaway sila. Okay? So, kung sino man tong person na to, this person here might be imitating you right now. Maybe how you dress. Maybe what's your perfume, kung alam niya yon, no? Or maybe this person copies your actions, galawan mo, mannerism, behavior, and this person hates that. Kasi hindi naman siya yun eh. Hindi niya rito ma-express yung sarili niya. And I think that is one of the unfortunate events for this person here. Di ba, all of us, gusto natin ma-express yung sarili natin in all situations. But this person here keeps on imitating you because wala siyang choice. No? Kasi ayaw niya ditong maiwanan. Ayaw niya rito na mawalan. Kaya parang lulunukin niya na lang rito yung pride or ego niya, no? Just to make this person here stay. Who is your past lover? Yeah, that's the sad part of that. Okay, that's unhealthy attachment with the double energy, no? This person here, niinis siya sa'yo, ginugulong pa rin yung buhay nila kahit wala ka naman na ngayon sa buhay nila. So, I do not know what you're doing right now because you're not showing up right here, but this person here is really triggered sa'yo. Parang gusto ko niya ditong sibunutan, gusto niya rito mga babes, no, nahatakin niya, pilik mata mo, mga ganun. Yeah, no. This person here is someone, okay, na nanalo pero parang natalo. Ganun yung energy. Dahil sa'yo, kahit wala ka na sa buhay nila, no, parang sino ka ba? Anong nangyayari rito? Matagal ka nang wala. Pero, isa ka pa rin na malaking problema para sa taong ito, no? Kasi with this Four of Swords in reverse, no, Hangman and the Ace of Pentacles energy, isa ka paling malaking balakid sa connection nilang dalawa. Wala ka na, pero bakit ganito? Ikaw pa din yung malaking bloke na nahihirapan siyang tanggalin sa buhay ng person niya ngayon na dati mong person. Isa ka pa rin malaking balakid, isa ka malaking problema, isa ka malaking wall na hindi niya mabarag-barag dito. This person is trying to imitate you, but he or she can definitely duplicate you because you are who you are, isn't it? Diba? So you are who you are, and you cannot be her, and that person cannot be you because you're two different people, isn't it? So whatever the case may be, this person here is trying to fool himself or herself just to take control of the situation. But however, this is unhealthy. This is something here toxic. If you want to keep your person here in your life, diba? Because you love him or her, question is, ready siya na ibaba yung sarili niya, no? So, mas mahal niya yung taong 'to kaysa sa mas mahal niya yung sarili niya. Because he or she is sacrificing, 'di ba? Yeah. This person here is telling himself or herself, no, paulit-ulit dito sa kanyang mind yung The Hangman energy, no, na parang siya 'to na dahil sa'yo kaya ganyan yung nangyayari ngayon sa situation niya, no. But let me just tell this person here, kung sino man siya, eh, hindi ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit nagiging ganyan ang situation niya. Siya ang mismong dahilan kung bakit ganyan ang situation niya. Pagod na siya pero ayaw niyang pahinga. It's too tiring to hold on to a situation right here. You cannot be yourself around the person you love. That is one of the saddest part and unfortunate situation ever. Kasi dapat pagkasama mo yung taong mahal mo, you can be yourself comfortably. You can show yourself, no need to hide anything. You do not need to mask something. Pero this person here is trying to copy you. At hindi siya rito pwedeng makapagpatotoo sa sarili niya. Because he or she might lose your ex na person niya ngayon. Diba? How pathetic is that? So pathetic. Yeah, that's my opinion, no? Hindi bilang isang reader, kundi bilang isang chismosa dito. I mean, bilang isang friend mo. Okay? So, nakita ko dito that this is not something here unhealthy for anybody. Because if you lose yourself in a situation, that is one of the biggest part na parang natalo ka na rin. Because in the process, you cannot lose yourself. You should always choose to win, no matter what. But this person here choose to lose. Pinili niya rito to lose himself or herself just to make someone here stay. And that's so pathetic. Okay? So I think you do not know about the situation here, but this person here, he or she is connecting to your energy because this person is asking why. Why are you still bothering their life? Yan, no? And alam mo kung makakarating lang talaga ito sa'yo, parang ikaw to na, anong ginagawa ko? Wala nang ginagawa. Pinapabayaan ko na lang sila. No? Tapos ganyan pala yung sitwasyon nila, Miss Yan. Yes. This is the situation here more likely right at the present moment. In the present moment. No. Okay? But you do not need to do something about this. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages right here we've got for you, sweethearts. Please do check out other channel. Link is down below. Thank you for supporting the channel. And muli ako po si Yan, ang inyong medium. No? Muntik na, hindi alam yung pangalan. So yeah, obvious. Thank you so much and sarang hayo, love and light. Annyeong!